Yes, students, it is my next question for NEET examination. Mixture of 2.3 gram formic acid, mixture of 2.3 gram formic acid and 4.5 gram oxalic acid is heated with concentrate H2SO4. The evolved gaseous mixture is passed through KOH pallets. Weight in gram of the remaining product at STP is. It is our problem. Read this problem carefully. Now we must solve this type of problem. You know that what is the formula for oxalic acid? Oxalic acid का formula, oxalic acid का formula क्या है? H2C2O4. H2C2O4, formula of oxalic acid H2C2O4. It is formula for oxalic acid. Why you are saying that what is formula for oxalic acid? You must determine mole of oxalic acid. For determination of mole, weight of oxalic acid is given to you, W2 upon M2 means 4.5 divided by the molar mass of oxalic acid H2C2O4. It means here 2 plus 24 plus 32 64, sorry, it is 64 plus 24 plus 2. 64 plus 24 plus 2, it means it is 90. Molar mass of oxalic acid is 90. Yes, when 4.5 divided by 90, the mole, it means near about 0.05 mole. Calculation is near about 45 divided by 900. 45 divided by 900 means 1 upon 20, and this 1 upon 20 indicate that this 1 upon 20 means 0.05. At first determination of moles of H2C2O4. Then the next acid is 2.3 gram of formic acid. Formic acid also determined for formic acid HCOOH. HCOOH W2 upon M2. The mass which is to be given, that is 2.3 divided by 46, one and the same. 23 divided by 460. It means it is also 46 is the molar mass. Yes, my prediction is correct. It is also 0.05 mole. It means that moles of formic acid and moles of oxalic acid both are same. They react with concentrate H2SO4. We must take first reaction at first, heated with HCOOH, heated with concentrate H2SO4. Nature of H2SO4 is dehydrating agent, means here from this water which is to be removed, CO2 gas and water which is to be formed by heating with concentrate H2SO4. It is my first reaction, reaction number 1. It means reaction number 2 also write here. Reaction number 2 is this H2C2O4 heated with concentrate H2SO4. Here also water which is to be removed, water, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Three types of products are formed. H2C2O4, heated with concentrate H2SO4, water which is to be removed, CO2 gas is removed. When H2O get removed, C2O3, C2 and O3 दो कार्बन और 3 ऑक्सीजन थे, तो इसके लिए एक CO2 एक CO फॉर्म हो गया. It is our first step of the reaction, and this at initial stage HCOOH कितना लिया आपने 0.05. रिएक्शन के पहले ये वाटर भी 0 था, ये CO2 भी 0 है. आफ्टर द कंप्लीशन ऑफ द रिएक्शन फाइनल स्टेज में 1:1:1, तो ये 0.05, ये 0.05 and 0.05 product is formed. This 0.05 mole converted into product 0.05 moles of CO2 and 0.05 moles of H2O, because the ratio 1:1:1. With respect to this ratio, we can conclude that the CO2 gas, which is 0.05 mole, and this H2O 0.05 mole. Again here in the second reaction means H2C2O4 means oxalic acid. Oxalic acid heated with concentrate H2SO4. It is also 0.05, initially 0.05. Before completion of the reaction CO2 नहीं था, ये तीनों अमाउंट 0 होंगे. 1:1:1. So final stage it is to totally diminished, totally react with H2SO4. It gives 0.05, 0.05 and 0.05 H2O, CO, CO2. Same as like this and this. Both the processes are same. Yes, again you are reacting with KOH. Again this reaction mixture reacting with KOH. तो KOH से रिएक्ट करोगे आप. KOH क्या करेगा? KOH absorb CO2. KOH absorb CO2 and H2SO4 absorb water. H2SO4 absorb water. Means this water which is to be absorbed by H2SO4 and CO2 which is to be absorbed by that type of KOH, and this CO2 which is to be absorbed and water also absorbed. Here 0.1 type of HCOOH, this HCOOH gives CO2, some type of change is there, not CO2, it is only CO. बैलेंस नहीं था, ये CO and H2O, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड होगा. यहाँ पे मैंने CO2 लिखा था, थोड़ा सा चेंज करेंगे. CO 0.05 moles of CO is there, not CO2, because CO and H2O बैलेंस्ड है. यहाँ पर CO भी होगा, H2C2O4 है ना, यहाँ पर CO भी होगा, CO2 होगा, H2 होगा. After this reaction KOH absorbed by CO2 and H2SO4 absorbed water. H2SO4 absorb water. Okay, ये वाटर चले गया, ये CO2 चले गया, ये भी वाटर चले गया, सिर्फ CO यहाँ पर रह गया, फिर एक और CO यहाँ पर रह गया. Yes. In this reaction mixture, this CO becomes 0.05 in the first reaction, 0.05 in the second reaction. Total moles of CO. Total moles of CO, that is, it is 0.1 mole. 0.1 mole of CO. 0.1 mole of CO. यहाँ पर CO है, CO2 नहीं. शुरू में मैंने CO2 लिखा था, ट्रायल एंड एरर बेसिस मेथड पे जब भी कैलकुलेट करोगे आप, आपको समझ में आएगा ये 0.1 मोल ऑफ CO है। जिस 0.1 मोल ऑफ CO तो हमको क्या निकालना है, वेट इन ग्राम ऑफ रिमेनिंग प्रोडक्ट ऑफ STP, रिमेनिंग प्रोडक्ट एट STP, remaining product at STP, 0.1 mole CO. You know that the molar mass of CO, that molar mass of CO is near about carbon is equal to 12, okay, carbon is equal to 12 and oxygen is equal to 16. It is a 28 molar mass. So 0.1 into 28, 2.8 gram. It is the answer, 2.8. एक बार फिर बताता हूँ आपको मैं, फॉर्मिक एसिड कॉन्सेंट्रेट H2SO4 से रिएक्ट करेगा, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड वाटर बनेगा। ये ऑक्जेलिक एसिड कॉन्सेंट्रेट H2SO4 से हीट करेगा, ये वाटर बाहर निकलेगा, CO2 एंड CO, बोथ द गैसेस आर फॉर्म। Again H2SO4 effect is going on. Evolved gases mixture passed through KOH pellets. आप KOH pellets में से पास करोगे, KOH क्या करेगा, KOH absorb CO2, जहाँ पर CO2 है ये CO2 absorb होगा और water is absorbed by H2SO4, वाटर तो नहीं रहेगा। लास्ट में कौन रहेगा, फर्स्ट रिएक्शन का CO, सेकेंड रिएक्शन का CO। फर्स्ट रिएक्शन का CO 0.05 मोल, सेकेंड रिएक्शन का CO अमाउंट है 0.05 मोल, दी 0.05, 0.05, 0.1 मोल, 0.1 मोल CO is converted into gram because mole into molar mass is equal to given mass. It is the formula. थोड़ा सा रिएक्शन में शुरू में डिस्टर्ब भी हो गया तो उसको चेंज करने की क्षमता आप में रहना चाहिए। तो मैंने तो लिखा था, बाद में मुझे लगा कि कन्वर्जन CO2 निकल जाएगा, अमाउंट ऑफ CO तो डबल रहना चाहिए क्योंकि आंसर मैच नहीं हो रहा था, तो मैंने थोड़ा सोचा, फिर बाद में चेंज कर दिया। ओके, थैंक यू।